Welcome to this BI Quick Tip. For more information on the BI tool, please visit our Help Files website. In this video, we'll walk you through how to quickly use the matrix visual in your dashboard. Similar to an Excel pivot table, this will allow you to see a summary or matching grid style of your data. Let's get started. Starting from our dashboard, we'll hover over our table and click on Personalize this visual. Next, we'll click on Table and select Matrix. Afterwards, we can start adjusting our rows, columns, and values. If you have rows that you do not want in your matrix, simply click on the ellipsis icon and then select Remove Field. We'll remove all the rows that we do not want in our visual. Now, we'll remove our column and then we'll click to add a new field. We'll expand our subset data, expand dimensions, and we'll select Fund Source for our column. For our values, we can choose to leave all of them if needed, but for a cleaner look, in this scenario, we'll only keep the 2025 actual. With our matrix table personalized, we can now see how rows and columns work together to give us our total. You can even expand rows if you wanted to see more data. If we like what we created and always wanted to see this visual with this data, we can save it as a bookmark by clicking here, add a personal bookmark, giving it a name, and then clicking on Save. And that's it! You've now learned how to utilize the matrix visual to fit your needs. This powerful feature helps you analyze your data more effectively. Be sure to explore other personalization options to make your dashboard work even better for you. Thank you for watching this video on the BI Quick Tips series. For more information on BI, please visit our Help Files website. Until next time.